Zombie apocalypse.
So before we developed the juice fountain, the issues that needed to be solved were ease of use, really about ease of use and speed of use and cleaning. So when we solved the cutting up issue by creating a wide feed tube that you can fit a whole apple into without needing to cut it up, and by creating a system where the juicing disc is central and runs at very high speed, improving the efficiency of that side with a separate pulp container that could be removed and emptied during the process, and minimising the number of components that needed to be cleaned. The juice fountain then really brought about a large step forwards in the process of juicing, and we've seen that globally now with the success of our products and the growth in the number of users using the juices for juicing.
Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder, or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Hi, I'm Leela for Azo. If you've dealt with the frustration of a UTI, you may already know cranberry can help you protect and maintain a healthy urinary tract. Unique properties found in cranberries help prevent bacteria from attaching to the urinary tract. But getting enough cranberry through juice can be a sour-tasting experience or come with a lot of added sugar. To the rescue, Azo Cranberry. Made with clinically proven Pacran whole fruit powder, Azo Cranberry offers the protective properties of cranberry without the need to drink a lot of juice. The best part? There are 3 ways to get a daily serving of cranberry that packs the benefits of a glass of juice. Azo caplets with probiotic and vitamin C, fast-acting soft gels, or a serving of 2 convenient berry-flavored gummies. Whichever option you choose, Azo, the #1 trusted brand, offers an easy, daily way to help cleanse and protect your urinary tract. That's nothing to be sour about. I'm Leela for Azo.